PROLIGHTS SigmaPix is a series of rental LED screens made for video professionals with high specs and advanced features, including special cabinets for creative installation. The family includes SigmaPix 26B. It's a 50 by 50 centimeter indoor screen featuring 2.6mm pixel pitch and black LEDs for high contrast. SigmaPix 26B also includes special cabinets in order to achieve creative applications such as the S-style, that is a flexible cabinet capable to curve plus 40 degrees and minus 40 degrees on each tile. The C-tile, that is a 45-degree cut edge on each side in order to make cubes or sharp corners. SigmaPix 39T is a 3.9mm outdoor screen, available in two LED variants: black LEDs for higher contrast and color depth, white face LEDs for higher brightness and more affordable costs. Both outdoor variants are available in 50 by 50 and also 50 by 100 centimeter tile size, which can be rigged together. The C-tile is also available for SigmaPix 39T. SigmaPix tiles allow for fast single-person installation with automatic lock system and are equipped with a flip corner shield. The tiles have onboard curve mechanics, allowing both concave and convex curves of plus 10 degrees and minus 10 degrees on each tile. Panel maintenance has been furtherly enhanced, allowing quick replacement of LED modules and the PSU unit. The onboard electronics include Novastar A8S receiver card and a refresh rate up to 3,140 Hz. Unleash infinite possibilities with the SigmaPix series.